It was easy enough getting that off, but I've never done this before. I don't know if you have. That looks like it's okay. There's a bolt in the center of the screen, hiding back there, and one likely there. And there's that plastic thingy right there. And this is the thing that we got. It's supposed to go on like that. So are we supposed to, am I supposed to get that off to get to the bolts that hold it on? Those two bolts there? No, I guess not. I guess they come off on this side. On this side. Hey, I'm changing the lock. 2005 Pacifica. There's two bolts here. What are they called? Phillips. And there's one there, and there's one there. Under this, you take this cover off. Anyways, and then the panel pops off, and to get to that lock mechanism. So at the end of that, oh, the purple rod there. The purple rod there is this thing, connects to this, so it goes like that. So right now I'm taking off that bolt, the right one. Focus, you piece of crap. I'm taking off the right one with a, through that hole, with a, this was an 8mm. And if you happen to drop any of your tools or whatever into the door there, you can get them out, reach in the bottom, and you can reach in the bottom of that door panel to get them out, which I already did. And when you loosen that up, this becomes loose. The screw under there is the one I'm undoing, that I just showed you. The one from that side, I only got two hands here, is under there. So if you're lucky, you can pull it out. There it is. Not rusted too much. Got it loose anyway. Unscrews all the way. Now the only thing holding up this lock assembly is being in there and that rod. So I gotta get it hooked onto that rod. Okay, to undo it, you gotta, that rod goes in there like that. It's situated like this. You gotta push this off of the rod that way. Get in there. It's gotta go to the right. Yeah, that piece of crap there has to get off the rod. Focus, piece of crap. Has to go to the right and pop off that rod. I think I did it. Let's see, unless, okay, it's popped off. Hopefully this will just come right out. No, I guess it goes in. Don't mix up your screws. This one goes in through the inside of the door, and this one is on the outside. Okay, it wiggles out. You just gotta be patient about it. I tapped on this with something that came out and fell in there, and then I have to retrieve it. So for reassembly, screw that one in first. You just hold it like this, and you, with the other tool, screw that one in, and you put this crap back on. Only one hand, and that inside screw, the one that goes in from this side, this one goes into there and holds that crap on. Okay. Now, what? Test it with a key. No, I gotta put that crappy rod back on there. Okay, I'm an idiot. Look it. I pinned the rod behind there, so now I gotta take that lock mechanism off again so I can get that rod out. Okay, it's not too hard. You gotta get the end of the rod into that center circle there, and then snap that on there. Make sure it's snapped. Test it with the key. Make sure you actually make sure you test that it turns the right tumbler in case you put the old one back in there. That's possible. So it works. And then put all this crap back in. Actually, I think test it, and I think it should unlock that. I think. Yeah. It doesn't lock it. If it's locked, okay, well, this unlocks it. Does it lock it? Yeah, it locks it. But this is 2005, so it's getting a little old, so almost feels like it's going to break the key when I lock it, but at least it unlocks it, so that's good. So I had it resting on there, so none of these wires would break, but this part here hangs on here. Lift it up and hang it on there, and then snap all those things into the right spots. And then your 3 screws, those 2, and that one, and that one. Okay, the hole for this one is easy to find, but the hole for this one is a slot. So let me do that one first. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I'll let you know that one's kind of hard to find.